guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about on how to get a free Louis Vuitton luggage tags as complimentary replacement. I'm also going to talk about the hot stamping and also the prices if you wanted to get an additional luggage tags. So anyway, I have several luggage tags here that I have accumulated over the years, and I recently received some of the tags that I have requested as a replacement. So as you guys can see right here, this is my luggage tag in a vachetta leather. This is from my Keepall 55, I believe. This one is the largest one. I think it's one of the, this is a large tag. So this is for my Keepall 55. So I recently got a replacement for that. And since I have already, this is already a complimentary replacement, which means I got it for free. I didn't pay for it because it's complimentary. So I asked my yesay, and I asked my yesay from the atelier, and she got me a replacement for this, and I just received it, and they put it in the dust bags, and here is my replacement. So this one, actually, I paid for this because they have some sort of like restrictions on getting on these guys. So when you get a replacement for the first time, it's complimentary, it's free. But if you wanted to get a replacement for the second time or the third time around, it's gonna cost you something. So this particular piece, because this is for the Keepall 55, it is large, I paid $60 for this. Okay, so this is how it would look. This is brand new. This is just like fresh from the warehouse, I think, because it is, the vachetta is very, very pale. So I got one that's made in France, so you guys could see. This one has a gold, so let's take a look at the back. This one has a gold hardware, as you guys could see. Very, very pretty, very nice. So this is like, I'll try to put it together with my old one, and it seems, you see the difference. I got this for so many years, guys. So this is the replacement, and this one I paid $60 because this is probably like the fourth or the fifth time that I requested to get the luggage tag for my Keepall, so I got charged for this. But for my for the previous years, I got it complimentary. I got it for free. It's because it is just the replacement for the first time. But if you want to have it replaced for the second or third or fourth time, then you're gonna they charge you. Okay, so this is for the Keepall 55. So I also got a replacement for my Alma BB. So I got a key bell here. So this is the replacement. And this is actually complimentary because this is my first time to request for a replacement. I have like 3 Alma and on my history. So they check there. So this is the first time that I requested. So I got this for free as a complimentary replacement. And also this one right here, I paid for this because I requested again from my old Alma, and I paid for this. This is for the BB size. I paid $30 US. I think tax is already included. I'm not sure with the repair. Usually, like when they say it's $30, it's $30. I didn't see any sort of charges for the tax. I don't think they don't charge taxes for repair, guys. So this, I paid for this. This is a complimentary. And this one, I got this. This is my very old Alma. So I got this hat stamp with the Manikaniko, the Lucky Cat. It's my favorite hat stamp of all time from Vuitton. Very nice. It's so cute. So I got this one replaced as well. The what I meant is the hat stamp, because I originally I originally requested for the red foil because red is my favorite color. But after a few months, the color, the foil that they put in here started to chip. It started to come off. So I requested to have this one redo the foil. So you guys can see right there. It looks pretty nice though. So the reason why I got the gold, because the atelier that I am working with at the atelier, she told me that if you wanted to get hat stamp, it could be anything. I would suggest to get the gold or silver because they last longer than any other colors, which is true. She's totally like right about that. So I got this one. It's in gold, which actually complements perfectly right there. So this one is made in France. This one, it just says Paris right there, nothing at the back. And also, yeah, Paris right there, nothing at the back. And also another one I requested again for another keep all. This one I paid for this. I got this a few weeks ago as well. And because I have already got my replacement, my complimentary replacement years ago. So I requested for this and she said, yeah, okay, that's fine. This is $60 because this is the largest luggage tags. So this is how it looks. And this one has a gold hardware. And it only says right there, Louis Vuitton, Paris. So this is the replacement that I have requested. And also I have, these are my old ones. These are my old luggage tags from a few years ago. And I got this one hat stamp. So you guys can see, I got this one hat stamp as well. And I also got another one right here, which I'm going to hide some of the stamps. So see that it's the colors. So this one, it seems to look like the foil that they use in it. It's holding up pretty well because I rarely use it. So this one right here, I hope my camera is focusing. This one I got is made in France. And yeah, this is just the replacement that I requested. So when I got this years and years ago, this one is actually free. So I got it hot stamp as well. So I got this for free and I got a replacement already because I didn't want to do the hot stamping. And this one, I paid $60 for this. Okay, so let me want to make this one clear. So if you purchase a Louis Vuitton bag that has a key bell or a hang tag, your first replacement, according to them, it is going to be complimentary. But if you want to have it replaced the second or the third time, it is you're going to pay for it. But I'm not 100% sure, but that's what I was being told. So here are some of my luggage tags over the years, and it has some stamps in here. So this one, I got this hot stamp last year during the holiday with those beautiful flowers. I also got this, it's in silver as well. This one is really, really nice. These are my really old hot stamp luggage tags. And then this one, the cute Vivienne, this one is, you see that one? It's in blue. It's holding up pretty nicely though. And also I got this. This is my zodiac, Cancer. Very pretty. I love this. And the rest are like empty. I haven't really like hot stamped them. This was just like sitting in my closet for a long time, and I removed the right here. How do you call this one? The hang tag, where you hang the tags. I remove it so it'll give more space on here on the shelf. So here are some of the items that I have gotten. And also, guys, with the hat stamping, it's for free. Okay, so if you want to get your luggage tags, it could be anything. It is free. It's complimentary. And also, sometimes, if they're not busy at the atelier, they could do it for you in the same day. But if they are, it may take at least like few days. And also, with the luggage tags as well. So let's take, for instance, you wanted to request for the Keep All 55. So when they look at their inventory, if it's available at the store, they give it to you right away. But if they don't have it in the store, it may take at least like 6 to 12 weeks for them to fulfill your order. So for this particular item, since they didn't have it at the store at the moment when I requested, I waited for a few weeks on this. Yeah, it takes a long time for them to provide that for me. And also I did request another one. So this is a key bell as well. This is for my Montebello. I don't have the Montebello anymore, but I saw this in my closet, and that was in the Montebello that I have. That is in, I'm not mistaken, I think it's in Vernis leather. And yeah, I was a little bit disappointed with the leather. Since I saw it in my history, I asked her, I said, well, why not? If you could give me anything, any tags or key bell in my purchase history that has those, I'll take it. So she saw it on my history. Then I got the replacement. So this is the replacement I got. It took them several weeks to fulfill my request. It is really brand new. It's amazing. It's so pretty. So that's the replacement. So yeah, you could actually they're a little bit strict with the luggage tags, guys. Years ago, I could walk into the atelier and buy one, but nowadays they look at your history. But then again, it is a matter of having a good relationship with your sales associate. So if you have a good relationship with your SA, you don't need to provide anything, a proof that you have it, I believe. But if you are not working with one, you need to provide a proof that you have that particular piece that has the luggage tags. But it depends again. It depends again with the atelier that you're working with, if they want to give it to you or not. Okay, since I have been working with them for so many years. So yeah, sometimes they look, sometimes they don't. But according to them, according to the essay that I'm working with, they are very, very strict when it comes to luggage tags for a lot of reasons, I guess. Maybe some people just buy it and then sell, or all that kind of things, or collect them, or whichever way. But yeah, you just can't, I don't know how much you could actually request for a luggage tag. It could probably create a red flag if you keep asking them all the time, So yeah, I think it is a matter of depending on your essay or the person that's working at atelier. If they could provide it for you. But if you wanted, really, my advice, if you wanted a luggage tags and you don't have anything in your history, I would suggest to bring the item with you. So you went to Louis Vuitton and you wanted a Keep All 55 luggage tags like this, and they couldn't find it in your history. So what they would do is ask you to bring the bag, the Keep All 55, and then they said that they could request this for you. That's what I was being told. Okay, so yeah, it's not like they're not going to give it to you, or they're being fussy about the luggage tax, but they wanted they want them to see the particular piece that you actually have it. Even if you don't have it in the history, yes, they wanted to see the item. I hope you find this video helpful. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.